Hello, in front of me I've got Roccat SYN. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. Firstly, make sure that your headphones are connected with your smartphone via Bluetooth. And now we are going to use this Bluetooth button. Press it once to play pause. Press it twice to skip forward. Press it 3 times to skip backwards. To rewind, press 3 times quickly and hold. To answer call, press once. To end call, press twice quickly. And to activate voice recognition, press and hold. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.